Is it done? Is it done? It's done. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Asian meal prep recipe video. What am I making today? I am actually making Penang curry. Penang curry. I got inspired by Pai from Hot Thai Kitchen, one of my most, I guess, favorite YouTube recipe chef. And yeah, it's amazing. Okay, her recipe is awesome. She actually made her own Penang curry paste. I have tried to sort of tweak it a little bit, of course, to make it healthier, a lot more nutritious as well. So I've added in some veggies. So I'm gonna walk through this and experiment this with you guys. I'm not sure if it's gonna turn out as usual, but we are gonna get started, okay? So what do we have? So the first thing that we wanna do is to make our Penang curry paste. And I've learned from that video that you can actually toss in a few ingredients and then you can make the paste. So I'm gonna make it right here. So this is my processor and I'm gonna put in stuff in it, all right? So I've got some red curry paste. And so Penang curry, it just kind of derives from red curry. I'm gonna put that in, but need a spoon. Okay, so I've got some Penang curry, red curry paste right here. I'm gonna toss it into my food processor. By the way, guys, this food processor I got, it's like $30 from FairPrice, and it works. And it works. And then I've got my cumin and coriander powder. So I'm gonna toss this one in. Cumin and coriander. And then we got belacan. Guys, if you're not sure what belacan is, it's also called shrimp paste. In Malay, it's belacan. It literally is just a very foul smelling thing. Okay, so, but it's nice. It should be nice, all right? And then I've got some fish sauce, which I'm gonna, oh, no, we don't need fish sauce in this. We need peanuts. I think it's peanuts. Yeah, we need peanuts. Okay, peanuts in. And let me just clear this out. And we're gonna cover this up. And then, I hope this works. All right, are we good? Okay, we're gonna process this. Woo! Okay, of course, to the peanuts. It's not grounding! By the way, guys, this food processor I got, it's like $30 from FairPrice, and it works. And it works. Okay, hang on. I got it. Can't use that one. Okay, let me just mix it up a little bit. And let's try this again, all right, guys? You know what? I'm gonna add in some water. Just a little bit of water in. Okay, let's try this, okay? Hopefully this works. All right, that's better. That's slightly better. Okay, guys, you probably would need like a smaller grinder for this. That's a good idea. But you know what? This is all I have in my kitchen. And you know, sometimes you gotta make do with things. We gotta just do this a little bit more. The smell. It's actually pretty nice. All right, okay. I think I'm good. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. And it's okay if it doesn't turn out all nice and mushy and pasty, but this is good. I think I'm happy with this, you know, as long as you're happy. And okay, look at this, guys. All right, so I've got my paste and it's still sort of like peanutish, but it's okay. I mean, like I said, you know, this is just home cooking. You're making your meals and you got this right here, all right? So I'm gonna actually put this here and start cooking, okay? So let's just put this aside and let's start cooking. All right, guys, so I have all my ingredients. We've ground up paste earlier, right? Okay, got my non-stick skillet. All right, so I'm gonna start with heating a non-stick skillet, all right, on medium high, and then we're gonna add in about 200 mils of the coconut milk. Kind of just want to make it a little bit creamy as well. So just a little bit. You're not gonna use up the whole thing. And I've got light coconut milk right here, so just a little bit of a tweak, all right? So with light coconut milk, it's probably not going to be as creamy and as thick, but we're Asian meal prep, right? So we're kind of trying to eat a little bit better. So let's just leave it right here. All right, I'm gonna make this one quick, okay? Make sure you have, of course, wash your hands, okay? And we are gonna pour in the fish sauce on the beef and, oh no, just leave it. This is how it is. Looks good. And then the olive oil. So onto the beef again, and then we're gonna kind of massage it a little bit. There you go. Massage, massage, massage. All right. Woo! By the way, guys, my friend gave me this beef. It looks amazing. And yeah, I can't wait to try this out. Okay, so we're gonna look at our coconut milk. Okay, so just a little bit. So as soon as it bubbles like this, all right, we are going to add in our paste, okay? So our curry paste. So I'm gonna just add in the curry paste, except that we're gonna just heat it to sort of low, so not that high, okay? So add in the curry paste, and bear in mind, again, if you want the curry paste to be smooth, then just do that, okay? So curry paste in. All right, make sure you turn the heat to low. Gonna add this one in. Ooh, this is the thing about coconut milk, the smell. I love it. All right, okay. We're gonna stir the paste up together with the coconut milk. I'm really trying not to make my white t-shirt Penang. Penang white t-shirt. All right, so I'm stirring it up gently, okay, only because I don't want to make a mess. All right, so, ooh, can you guys smell that? Ooh, the smell. Guys, you gotta love this bit. Okay, we are gonna add in, we only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients left, and also the rest of the coconut milk. So I'm gonna leave this here for a bit, okay? Let it sort of bubble up a little bit, all right? And let's just clear this up. Okay, we are gonna add in the coconut sugar. All right, so silly me, I realized that, or actually forgot to get cafe lime leaves. And that is actually a very important ingredient. But that's okay, we'll roll with whatever we have. So I'm adding in some coconut sugar, and I'm sure that you can also use brown sugar in here. Okay, so it's really up to you. Whatever you have at home, but I just sort of been experimenting with coconut sugar. So I've got that coconut sugar going on. All right, the next thing to do is to add in the beef. And don't worry if it looks like the gravy is not that much. All right, because we are gonna add in a little bit more coconut milk later on. All right, so once the brown sugar is in, or the coconut sugar is in, we're gonna add in the beef, okay? So in goes the beef. There you go. Woo, make sure you got all the juices in. And we're gonna stir this up, okay? Ooh. Oh, looks great. Soon, we will add in the rest of the coconut milk. I believe if you want to make it a little bit more gravy-like, okay, so a little bit more soupy, you can add in a bit of water as well. But it's up to you, okay? I'll see how it is later on. And I'm making 3 meals anyway, so we gotta factor that bit in, all right? So just let that cook. And then I'm gonna add in my capsicum. All right. Followed by my carrots. and broccoli, okay? So I've got my broccoli in and in and in. Okay, probably not gonna use all of the broccoli. Just leave it there for a bit. And we're just gonna stir this up, all right? Don't spill on me. Don't spill on me. Awesome. Woo! That's good. Ooh, awesome. All right, you know what? I'm actually gonna add in some water. But I'm gonna add in the rest of the coconut milk in a bit. All right, while I finish stirring this up. There you go. Ooh! Oh no, sorry. Okay, all right. So this is already in, and I'm gonna add in the rest of my coconut milk and a bit of water. Ooh, looks amazing. All right, rest of the coconut milk in, and just stir that bit up. Whew. All right, and then I'm gonna just stir first, and then we'll see, okay? Maybe I'll add in a bit of water. I'm gonna taste it up a little bit as well later on. Okay, just a little bit more. Gonna increase my pan as well. Okay, maybe to medium high. Okay, I'm gonna actually taste this. Ooh! Oh my gosh, it's so good. You wanna taste it? Okay. I don't know, man. Should I put in more water in this? Do you think I should?
Yeah, if it's so good, then we're gonna add more gravy.
Is it too thick? All right, okay. All right, I'm gonna just add in a bit more water, okay? So then we have a little bit more gravy in this, and then we'll see, just a bit water. All right, and we're gonna let it cook. And then we're gonna be done, and then we're gonna build our meals. Look at this, guys. It looks pretty amazing. Awesome. Ooh, some carrots left here. Okay, while I let that cook, and I'll throw this bunch of stuff away. The smell is awesome. I can't wait to taste the beef. We're gonna just let it cook, okay? Just decrease it in the heat a little bit, and then just let it reduce, and then we're done. We'll give this a try. Ooh! Ooh! My glasses! Oh no! Oh no! Alrighty! Look at this, guys! Amazing! All right, I am done. That was really quick. Love it. All right, I'm gonna actually build my meals. I've got one for lunch and two for meal prep. Up to you what you want to do with this, okay? Got my colors in this, so I'm gonna start to build it. I'll remove this from heat first and start to pour it in, okay? So I've got one right here. Oh, it's okay. We'll figure that bit out, isn't it? Alrighty, got another one here. I'm nearly done. Please don't mess up. Okay, okay, ladies. And ta-da! All right, so what do we do with the gravy? We pour it into our individual containers. And I'm gonna do it just like this, okay? So we've got one right here. We've got a little bit right here. And of course, this one, a bit more. Woo! Oh, amazing, guys. Look at that. Don't you just love how soaky it is? Oh, yes! Oh my God. Okay, okay. We are done. I'm gonna actually wipe it so then I can take a proper photo. But this is it, everybody. Panang curry with beef. And so it's Panang curry beef. Panang beef curry. Whichever. But 3 meals, give it a try. If you like this one and you love how I experiment with dishes, then make sure you like this video and subscribe and turn on the notifications and all that, alright? Really will appreciate it. I will see you guys again next week with another video that I'm probably gonna try and experiment and make a mess of. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me. Stay safe, guys.